Welcome to Walk Drop and welcome to the Taiwanese edition. So recently the borders have opened back up, so I went to Taiwan for almost a month to meet Mark and we had a fantastic time. So we're going to drop a series on Walk Drop of videos like going over basically the experience that I had when I was there with Mark. So the first video that we're going to drop today is on a place called Jiufen. So Jiufen, it means 9 portions. Okay, or 9 sections. So the reason why it was called that is because originally there were only 9 families that lived on the hill. So when they would order supplies from the main town, they would order them in 9 portions. So that's why it was originally called Jiufen. And it went on to be a gold mining town, prisoner of war camp. Nowadays it's most commonly known for its beautiful cha dians, so as in tea houses, restaurants, and absolutely spectacular views. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. And we actually had plans to go there and shoot the tea houses and shoot the restaurants and shoot the views, but the weather was absolutely terrible. It was like typhoon weather. It was hammering down. So I was just sitting in the hotel at night and I just thought, oh, I wonder if anybody's ever shot like Jiufen, like in a typhoon with just terrible weather. And I looked around on the internet and I couldn't find anything. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go out tonight and I'm gonna shoot a video for you guys in the absolutely hammering down rain. So anyway, a little bit of a different take on Jiufen, but I hope you guys enjoy.